Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to turn off newsfeed on Android lock screen. Here are the steps to turn off the newsfeed or suggested content on the lock screen of an Android device. The steps may vary slightly by brand, but this covers the general method. So first, unlock your Android phone by using your PIN, password, or fingerprint. Go to the home screen. Tap the home button or swipe up. Open the Settings app. Look for the gear icon. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen. On some devices, it might be under Display, Home and Lock Screen, or Privacy. Here, tap on More. Look for lock screen content or lock screen stories. May be labeled as glance, wallpaper services, content feed, or lock screen notification display, depending on the brand. Tap on it. Opens options related to lock screen content. Disable lock screen stories or glance for MI. Toggle off the switch. Tap to turn it off or choose the option to don't display it. Go to Notifications section. Still in Settings, tap Notifications. Tap Lock Screen Notifications. Go to Display Rule, then choose Don't Show Notifications or Don't Display if needed. Restart your device. Ensures all changes take effect properly. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.